Hey, hello, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can cut video clips in Premiere Pro in under 1 minute. So I'm going to show you 2 easy ways in order to do this. So the easiest way in order to cut clips is simply by making sure to select your timeline right here and make sure that the selection tool is enabled by pressing V on your keyboard. Now what you need to do is select the clip you want to cut, and all you need to do is basically just grab the beginning or the end of your clip and just drag it to where you want to basically make it cut. And basically once you've done that, it will immediately automatically just remove that piece of the video, and that's a really easy way in order to cut basically clips. Now if you want to cut a clip in the middle, what you can do is just select the razor tool. In order to do this, press C on your keyboard or simply select the razor tool right here. Now what you can do is in the middle you can go wherever you want, just press C and then just click where you want to make a cut, like this. What you can now do is put the videos on top of each other, or you can also just remove a middle part by going to the next part you want to cut, click on C again, remove it, click on delete, and once you've done that you now have two basically parts that are both cut, and you can just put them basically after each other and you now have a smooth clip just like this with a cut in the middle. And that's all you need to do. So if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.